Hi, Kickstarter. I'm Kimberly.
I'm Greg.
And I'm Chris. And this is Ledunia.
Ledunia is a powerful development platform for the Internet of Things based on the ESP8266 microcontroller. It's a Wi-Fi-enabled development board, including a full TCP/IP stack, which you can use for rapid prototyping any IoT application you can think of.
If you follow discussions about the Internet of Things, you'll have heard this astounding prediction at least once. By 2020, the world is going to have 50 billion connected devices. And now you can use Ledunia for IoT prototyping to add some of your custom IoT projects to that 50 billion.
Ledunia is based on the proven ESP8266 microchip technology, but with a twist. The chip is just the beginning. We've added pin headers, memory, NeoPixel LEDs and standard USB plug, and then enclosed the board in a durable plastic case, so it's easy to take your Ledunia projects with you. You can take your Ledunia to class to show off a project or to a customer to demonstrate your technology without worrying about damaging the board.
Ledunia is comparable to the Arduino platform, and it's fully compatible with the Arduino IDE, so you can take advantage of existing Arduino tools, sketches, and projects as the basis for your new ideas. However, Ledunia is not just another Node MCU clone. It executes much faster than Arduino and has many more features and resources on board, giving you a wider range of development possibilities. And yes, it's plug and play.
Ledunia comes with a specialized enclosure that ensures optimal protection. We use a specially selected material for the case that has highly diffusive characteristics. Why? Because that way we could do this. But we'll come back to the LED NeoPixels later.
Ledunia's grid dimensions are 2.54 millimeters, so it's fully compatible with any standard breadboard. And we used female pin headers for a good reason. They don't bend, and you can attach your IoT sensors directly to Ledunia without needing to use a breadboard.
Ledunia was designed to be super easy to use. Simply plug it into your computer using the USB port, add your favorite IoT components like sensors and displays, and you're ready to go.
Ledunia is fully compatible with the Arduino IDE, but it also speaks MicroPython, Lua, JavaScript, Java, Java Processing, BASIC, and Mongoose OS, so you can use whichever language you prefer.
It's simple to complement your existing Arduino projects or any development board that has I/O pins available. Simply download an Arduino sketch, or do it your own way and write your own sketches. The Arduino IDE already includes countless libraries for nearly every IoT sensor on the market, so you can create IoT applications customized to your individual requirements.
Redefine your home automation and build your own custom IoT world. And then upload your data to your favorite IoT cloud service or a monitoring tool like PRDG.
Ledunia has Wi-Fi on board to provide one-wire resources, GPIO, PWM, ADC, I2C, SPI, and more at your fingertips, combined with a stable industrial-quality USB TTL serial plug. We've engineered Ledunia for mobile devices and wearables. The power-saving architecture features 3 modes of operation: active mode, sleep mode, and deep sleep mode, allowing battery-powered designs to run much longer.
Ledunia is not just another Node MCU clone. We've completely redesigned the concept and built it from scratch. Let's start with the memory. We've added a WindBond 256 megabit flash memory, which means you now have an incredible 32 meg serial flash memory for your projects. This is 8 times more memory than any other development board available on the market right now.
With this 32 megabytes of flash memory, you can implement much larger and more complex programs than with comparable boards, including sophisticated web-based apps that can include your own fonts, CSS, content, and so on. To get those apps onto your board, you can use the Arduino IDE to upload your data to Ledunia.
And uploading has never been easier. We have completely eliminated the push buttons for the upload or reset process. The upload is handled automatically by the software, which guarantees maximum freedom, especially for the development of enclosures for your Ledunia projects. To make updating even easier, Ledunia is ready for OTA, the over-the-air update. OTA may be done by the Arduino IDE, via web browser, or via an HTTP server.
As we mentioned earlier, we included 4 ultra-bright multicolored WS2812B LEDs, which you may know as NeoPixels. Each LED is individually addressable since the driver chip is inside the LED. These LEDs are chainable. Simply connect Ledunia's output to the input of an LED stripe.
To make this easier, we've added additional GPIO pins to the PCB.
As an example, here is an LED controller sketch, which beautifully illustrates the power of Ledunia. In this example, we used the SPIF's memory, which is where all the data for the web-based GUI is stored. The color picker is also located in the SPIF's memory.
But what can you do if your Wi-Fi signal is weak?
You can easily extend your Wi-Fi range by adding an external antenna. A UFL, Ultra Miniature Coaxial Connector Receptacle, is already on board.
When the Wi-Fi stack is enabled, you still have about 80% of the processing power available for your programming and development with Ledunia.
Ledunia is designed as a development board for rapid prototyping. That's why we chose a USB plug rather than a micro USB port. You can connect directly to your PC or Mac without having to use a separate cable.
The USB plug is covered by Microsoft's digital signature authentication, and you don't need an external programmer like an FTDI because it's already on board.
All system LEDs you already know from Arduino or Node MCU are available on the Ledunia board. Some of these LEDs we deliberately turned off. This was partly for aesthetic reasons, but mostly to save power, especially for the deep sleep mode. If you want to activate the LEDs, no problem. We've added soldering bridges on the board.
All parts of Ledunia are open source and open hardware, and Ledunia will be shipped worldwide.
And now, the rest is up to you. What will you create with Ledunia?
Ledunia is already a fully functional prototype.
And now, we need your support to bring Ledunia to the market. Let's redefine IoT with Ledunia right now. And thank you for your support.